Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. In this video, I'll show you how to mix WD-40 with beer. You wouldn't believe the amazing results. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. Which country are you from? Leave a comment, let me know. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. It's great to see your support. Let's mark the drill point on the stick. Use a drill bit and start drilling into the spot just marked. When we're done drilling, let's prepare a wire and cut off the outer layer. Use the copper core inside. Tie the copper core into the nail. Next, let's get another red wire. And continue to do so. Use a drill to fix the wires with the nail back into the wood. Continue with the green line. Let's use a copper core wrapped in a spring, as in the video. Let's take the beer that we just prepared at the beginning of the video. Let's put some baking soda in the beer. Then spray some WD-40 into the beer. Spray a sufficient amount. Mix all the mixture. Take the spring-shaped copper wire. Let's wrap it in the spark plug. And drop down the mixture. The other head. Put it in the lock of the can. Continue with the remaining copper wire wrapped in front of the nail, and fix it on the lock. This mixture is used for cleaning, especially the metal surfaces. Apply on the rusted area so that in a few minutes, we'll see a clear difference. The surface will become brighter. Do you think this trick works? Try on items like screws or tools, metal. This is a simple trick that's surprisingly effective. You want to try it now? Then use a clean towel. How do you see this trick? Who tried it? Share it. This trick is simple, but very effective. Don't miss it if you like my video. The results will surprise you. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, click like and subscribe to my support channel. Let everyone know about this trick. I wish you success.